It will be amazing to get in this area where we originally met.
Yeah,
like, how cool would that be?
Full circle. Since Egypt sold our last house for over asking, I'm confident that she's gonna be able to find us something that we like according to what we're looking for.
So the problem is this, they want to stay under $550.
Okay.
And then you throw in the element of them also being investors, and they want a deal. Wait, they don't want a deal, they want to steal. And I'm like, when you go on any realtor app and zoom into Sandy Springs, you may come up with only 2 houses. 3 houses, yeah, under $550. We're probably going to see those 2 houses today.
And who knows what they look like?
The style of home we're looking for is a ranch, preferably 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2+ bathrooms. I don't want any stairs.
Yeah, it has to be a ranch.
Yeah.
It has to be a ranch. Of course, it has to be a really good deal. Like, cost is everything for me. I definitely would like to spend well under $450 if we could.
I'll just bat my eyes, and then we can go up to $550.
No.
Hey, how's it going?
Wow.
Like the house.
Love it.
Looks good.
Love it.
So, at least on the exterior, do you feel like this is something you could work with?
Definitely.
All right, you want to see the inside?
Yes.
Come on.
Do it.
Yes. Oh, wow. Look at those doors. Wow, beautiful. Oh,
I love the doors, but
the floors. Oh, my
Yeah.
goodness.
So you're telling me you don't love these leather-looking floors?
What do you have against leather tile? Pleather tile.
Come on now.
And then this.
The
yeah,
wall.
I feel like you're gonna run into the wall as soon as you come in the house.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here's the layout of the house. You walk in, you've got this wall in front of you, but right behind the wall, you have this open space. It could be dining, it could be living. You have the kitchen right in the center of the house. If you continue through, you've got the family room in the back with some gorgeous windows, a lot of light. And then you have 4 additional bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, one's an ensuite in the far back, and you have a laundry room. All right, you ready to see the kitchen?
Yes.
Come on.
Yeah.
So dining over here, at least that's how they have it currently set up. Then you come through the swing door.
Haven't seen one of those in a long time.
So would you want to keep this door or get rid of it? Because it seems like that would hit me in the head.
Yeah, that door. It's gotta go.
Then you have a Dutch door, which leads out to the porch.
Beautiful.
I'm just gonna stand back. I want to hear it all. What are you thinking?
Very dark.
So out of the 2 of you, who cares about the kitchen more?
I would say Jeff.
Probably me.
You cook?
Yeah, I like to cook.
So what's the dream kitchen then?
Dream kitchen is something that's open. The kitchen is just so closed off. Like, you had to walk through so many different doors just to get into the kitchen.
Sure.
I'm really not liking this flooring. Something that flows a little bit better off of the dining room, I would think.
Okay.
To make this kitchen more open, we could tear down the walls to the dining room and living rooms, lose the peninsula in the kitchen. That way you'd have a kitchen that not only feels more open and airy, but is way more functional too.
So, Mike, if we're talking about blowing out this entire wall, what are we talking about for costs so far?
You're at about 60, 65K.
That's a lot of money.
We're forging ahead. The kitchen is demoed, completely gutted down to the studs. The floors are up, and we're making headway in the bathroom. But Mark just called saying he found an issue that needs addressing. So I'm heading over to check it out.
Nice. Hey,
It's progress.
we're moving along.
Whoa, why is the wall down?
Well, we ran across a problem. We had to remove it. We had water damage, a little bit of mold. It was rippling the panel. Keisha and Jeff, the outfit, just go ahead and pull it down, and we're just going to drop
Oh.
the wall. So if yeah,
They approved it.
they approved it.
Okay.
This is not the reason I called you.
What else is there?
Follow me over here. Get ready. Come on in.
All
This is the
ready?
big problem.
Whoa.
So this is pretty major. When we pulled it up, this is what we found. All this deterioration, wood damage, wood rot, all the way out, even up into this support beam.
I can
And an
smell it,
odor,
too.
you can see the odor, smell the
Yeah.
odor and the mildew and all that. And it's good that we found it when we did the demo.
It is. The only problem is this is going to take them way over budget. You're dealing with the old property. You're bound to run into some issues. Unfortunately, with Keisha and Jeff's house, in the shower behind, the faucet was leaking over time. It could have been years, it could have been months. But that leak transitioned down into the subfloor, which rotted several joists out. So now we have this huge hole in the floor that we have to take care of.
Hello.
Keisha, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
So I'm here with Mark at your house. And
Keisha.
Hi. Hi, Mark.
Okay, so I'm here at the house. When we lift up the flooring, the tile and everything, we found issues with the subflooring.
Wow.
The joists are messed up. They're rotted out.
A lot of water damage.
Yes, a lot of water damage.
Are we talking $2,000 to $3,000 or $4,000 to $5,000? What are we talking about here?
Well, option A, where we repair what we see, that's about $700 to $800. Ideally, for me, I would want to take up the entire subflooring and repair all of it. That's between $2,000 to $3,000.
Okay.
The benefit of us actually doing the full pull-up of the subflooring, you have access to all your plumbing. We can rearrange it to how we see fit with no charge to you.
Oh, that's exciting news. Go ahead and do whatever you need to do.
Awesome.
Totally.
Awesome.
All right.
So Jeff and Keisha's budget didn't allow for us to move the flooring around in the bathroom. But thanks to this problem, we can actually give them their dream bathroom layout.
We can now move the vanity to the other side of the bathroom and then reconfigure the shower to the other end of the wall. I mean, that's the bomb layout.
We'll follow up with you with the layout once we get to that portion, and we'll forge ahead.
Okay, well, thank you for the call, Mike. Thank you so much.
Not a problem. Thank you.
So, guys, we had a task to take your already beautiful new home and elevate it and really make it feel like Keisha and Jeff's.
I cannot. I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Here we go, guys.
Wow. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Babe, it's not
All
a
for the
blank
work,
wall.
So this is your formal living room.
Beautiful, Egypt. It's so beautiful. Wow.
Oh, wow.
If you remember, you're like, oh, Keisha, oh. It's beautiful. Thank you, Egypt.
Thank you. Thank you.
If you guys remember, when we first came in, the foyer had that sort of leatherette tile. Mike made sure all the wood was laced in, so it looks like you have one seamless, gorgeous floor.
Yeah. I love the way that we changed the flooring.
This was so worth it.
Yes. Does it feel like you?
Yes, absolutely. Spot on.
Yeah, feels homey.
Yeah, it feels homey.
Very homey. Very us.
Yeah.
Well, let's keep going. It's gonna be hard to do, but don't peek at your kitchen.
Okay.
Come on in and experience your dining room.
Wow.
Wow.
Feel, touch.
Wow.
Welcome back.
Absolutely beautiful.
This is nice.
And it feels lighter, doesn't it?
It does.
I just want to tell you a little trick. Whenever you put a mirror on the wall that reflects the light from a window, it illuminates the whole space.
Okay.
That's brilliant.
It is.
That was brilliant.
That is.
Okay, the big ticket item where we spent the bulk of the money is behind you.
In the kitchen. And remember, kitchens make or break homes.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that is money well spent.
Wow.
Yes. Oh my God. This is wonderful. Look at these cabinets. You have your pools.
Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God, these are beautiful.
Attention to detail.
I don't know what it's. Look. My desk.
That's your desk?
Oh my God.
Yep. Go ahead, sit down.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yep. You just have to pay all the bills now.